Portable, powerful, and zero emissions. The Western Global Electric Pressure Washer is perfect for on-the-go all-purpose cleaning. It features a compact washer kit combined with a rugged trailer frame and big wheels. You can take it almost anywhere. It fits through doorways, gateways, and on the back of your pickup truck. Simply fill up the tank, push the start button, and get to cleaning. This 105-litre water tank will give you 15 minutes of wash time with the option to add a second battery to the engine if you need to go longer. Adjust the pressure on the nozzle for faster washing, or use the chemical hose to add soap for a deeper clean. It's easy to clean dirty plant equipment, road signs, concrete drives, and even those hard-to-reach areas in the yard. So, if you have quick cleaning jobs that need power, and you prefer a zero-emission solution, the Electric Poly Trolley Washer is made for you.